Okay, you good?
Yeah. Okay.
That is not a straight line, dude. I
don't know why you don't listen to me. I can't.
Why would I listen to you?
I don't do this.
Why?
How does this do this? How? Okay.
Hey guys!
Hey, what's up? What's going on?
Hey, so welcome back to our channel. I'm Tenaj.
And I'm Faustino.
And today we are going to be framing the garage in our van. So what we did was we used the plastic wall that the van originally came with, and we used that as a template. So we just basically laid the plastic wall on top of the birch plywood that we bought, and we outlined it.
Right, we went ahead after we outlined it with that insert. So after we cut it, we placed it up on the left side of the garage, and it was a nice fit. So we're gonna go ahead and use that one, and we're also gonna duplicate that side for the passenger side and knock that out today.
So what we're gonna do, as well as the framing in this video, is we are going to finally take her on a road trip. So we're gonna ride to Alabama and we're gonna visit our friend Andejua. And the reason we're going up there is, I guess you'll find out later. So yeah guys, so we're super excited. We're gonna go ahead and finish up our garage, and we get to finally take her on a trip.
Yes, I'm looking forward to this trip. I'm sure we both are. It's gonna be our first, I guess our first trip coming back from Arizona.
All right, well, definitely not gonna use that. Okay guys, well, deuces! So I just finished tracing the template. I hope you guys can see that. I used a pencil. It's kind of faint, but I can see it. The camera really doesn't pick it up. But I think we're gonna go ahead and use this handsaw so that we can actually cut the plywood, and hopefully this goes well. So here goes nothing. So Faustino and I are taking a road trip. Yes, I know the last time we checked in with you guys, we were actually framing the garage. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a road trip down to Alabama, and we're gonna visit one of our best friends, and he's going to help us out with the carpentry as far as the cabinet goes, because okay, so Faustino and I have been basically winging it, and you guys know that, and that's cool, whatever, all right, that's cool. However, there comes a time when, and I know you've heard me say this before, but there comes a time when you have to know what you can and cannot do. Basically, you have to know when to stay in your lane. So yeah, so we're practicing the art of staying in our lane, and we're gonna take the van down to him. He's gonna fit it out. He's gonna get the templates for the cabinets, and basically all we'll have to do is cut them out. Hopefully it goes just like that. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you. Deuces. Hello beautiful people. Well, today is a different day. The last time we checked in with you guys, we were at home. Well, we took a 4-hour drive all the way to Alabama. We are here with our friend Enthusiast and his family, and they are going to help us out with our cabinetry. When we first got the van, the first thing I said is, I know we don't know how to do most of this stuff, but we do know somebody who knows how to do cabinetry. So we're here, and right now what we're doing is we're measuring everything in the van, trying to see where everything is gonna go, and this should definitely be interesting. So stay tuned.
So guys, this is my good friend Dejra. As you can see, he's setting up a template for us for our shower.
My trusty little scribe tool here from this company named FastCap. It's a pretty good scribing tool. And so I'm going to ride the curve of this wall here. And so when we build the cabinets, it will allow for more space and it will be aesthetically pleasing. So what we're going to do is just basically just take this and you ride the curve of the wall all the way down to the floor, and then you cut that out.
So the first one done? So the first one's done, guys. It looks even to me. Yeah.
Yeah. You got your up top.
So we got this even. And now where we're going? Down here? So I'm going to try to get rid of this gap right here.
Y'all should be good to go.
Alright, you heard it from the master carpenter. We're good to go. We just gotta
At ease.
we just gotta like put it together. Just cut that little notch. And it looks like it's a perfect fit right there.
It's looking pretty good. Just a little bit more.
Look how tight it is. So this is what we're eating tonight. He's looking at himself, really.
This one is used.
I'm just making it for
Look at you learning how to use the tools.
I don't know how to use these tools. I don't know what these tools are called. So what I figured out was that we can't cut this with scissors or a blade. So I have to use a jigsaw. So here we go. I already tried it out earlier and it does work. Let's see. Okay, all right, okay.
So we've already measured off. I'm gonna talk to you because Pastilla's not gonna talk to you guys.
I'm not gonna talk to you.
So we've already measured off the area, right?
All right, you heard it from the master carpenter. We're good to go. We just gotta.
At ease.
We just gotta like put it together. You know, we just gotta do the rest from the master carpenter. I don't know. Jesus was a carpenter too.
Pull your tongue out of my ass.
God, Jesus. This is why you can't give this man no camera.
Well, I ain't gonna make the cut. That's director's cut. Are you doing the video?
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up? What's going on? Make sure you can follow us at Tenaj_Tino_ on Instagram. But whatever. So this might not even be used like I usually do. I always do this. I just be rambling, and you might not who but you never know.
Pineapples.
Okay, pineapples.